Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to change your name in Roblox. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you have to open your Roblox application and then log into your account. And then now that you're here, you would be able to see these options right here at the left side of your screen and then click on this three dots option. Okay, now just select the settings. So this one right here or the gear icon and then select your account information, okay, above the security option, and then you'll be redirected to this page right here. Now you can see your account info, your display name, your username, your password, as well as your email address. Now to change your display name, you just have to click on this pencil icon right here at your right side, so this one. So when you click on it, you'll be able to change your display name. Now, important notice that your display name can only be changed once every 7 days. So you have to make sure that you have typed out the right display name right here, because you can only change that once every 7 days. And then click on save, and then you just have to wait for a few seconds until this save successfully green icon will appear. Now to change your username, you just have to click on this pencil icon again, and you have to get 1000 Robux to change your username. So to do that, just click on the buy option. Okay, and then you'd be redirected to this page where you can buy Robux in order for you to change your username. Okay, and that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.